sanitize our key fob with our Q-Rinse disinfectant. The first step is we're going to spray the door handle and the high touch area. We want to spray the door panel, door handle, the window touch buttons, top of the passenger side of the dash, and lower section. We also want to spray disinfect the seat. And repeat that process. This area has more contact than any other area in the vehicle, so we really want to make sure that we sanitize and disinfect this area really well. We will follow that up in 4 to 5 minutes, going back around to the other side of the vehicle and then removing our disinfectant product. And that concludes our disinfectant process here at Jones Junction on our loaner vehicle. It is now disinfected and safe for our customers. Thank you.